quarters because we have this position where the proceeding has not gone on. So we needed to have the proceedings over because there is an affidavit here. And now that the proceedings are over, this is an ex-parte application by the applicant, Indira Ghandi. We have asked for prayers. Number one, we have asked for the interim custody of all the 3 children, and the court has granted interim custody to the mother, all the 3 children, including the child that has been taken away from the mother, the 1-year-old child. And on top of that, in order to protect further the mother and the children who now enjoy the interim custody, the court has also given orders that there is an interim injunction against the respondent who may, if there is any possibility that the defendant may come closer, the defendant husband may come closer to the children or the mother and bring any form of harm in any way. So these are the prayers. I think the prayers, if you look at the originating summons, there are altogether 6 prayers that are being asked. The judge ordered all 5 prayers, and the 6th, the judge was very kind to say that this is a matter of public interest. As such, it is imperative or it is important that police also offer assistance to the mother in view of the nature of the case. So that is what has happened, and the court has given an inter-parte date for all, because the respondent husband also has the right to come and calculate his side of the story. The court has given 12th of May for the parties to appear. Before that, I think we file all the papers and we will proceed to have this matter ventilated on an inter-parte basis. Any questions?
Okay, can I just add that the order is very clear today that the husband or anybody else who has the child must give the child to the mother with immediate effect. And non-giving of that is a very serious offence. So we are given understanding it is somewhere around here in Ipoh. Anybody who knows about it, please return the child, failing which you will face very severe consequences. And I think that the order is very clear. It's a public interest matter. I'm sure Siva, you want to add?
Yeah.
Before that, I would say I spoke to Tevi Darsiny, the Minister of Law, and on the directive on the cabinet directive, and he has agreed to say that not only the law reform, marriage and act will be looked into to bring amendments, but all other related matters. He has asked for our assistance, and we, Sivanesan, myself and Augustine and Lalita may go next week, probably on a Thursday, to see the law minister and tell him the various laws that you have to upgrade to bring about consistency and to bring about certainty, so that we don't have a situation like where it is neither here nor there. When one of the person leaves the religion or takes away the child, nobody knows what to do about it, and to bring once and for all some form of thing, certainty. But unfortunately, he says it may not be possible to bring it in the June sitting. I am hoping that the government can rush through the bill. The opposition will support that bill if this is in the interest of everybody.
And I think the applicant here, she is very, very relieved now. Finally having to see a child after 2 weeks. And she has not seen almost 3 weeks she has not seen the child. And we will straight go to the police station now and request the police to help out immediately and to get the child back. I think the police knows where the child is. The police knows where the respondent is about. The police should immediately act and get the child back to her, in fact by today. And we will be going to the police station. I believe.
Actually, we are happy. We are thinking that we can get the child. And
hello.
Yeah. Unfortunately, the investigating officer belum lagi mula untuk menyiasat kes. So for me, the police are not serious. First of all, if they had handed over the child on that day when the child was brought to the police station in the presence of the father and the mother, all this would not have done. I told the deputy OCPD, you should undo what you have done that day. All this is something unnecessary. Okay, I just spoke to Lim Tichang just now. He says he's coming here at 12 o'clock to the Palai police to see what can be done. As far as Madam Indira Ghandi is concerned, she is going to stay here. The police want her to go back, tapi dia akan duduk sini sampai dia dapat anak. Itu yang tak boleh dapat diselesaikan.
Okay.
Hingga diselesaikan.
Okay. Nombor 2, saya sudah cakap dengan Ayo, Sarjan Zaitun. Zaitun mengatakan bahawa sehingga saat ini beliau tidak dapat mengesan suami beliau, bekas suami beliau. Tapi bekas suami beliau telah telefon dia dan mengatakan bahawa beliau sedang dalam perjalanan ke Singapura. He is on the way to Singapore. And she knows, and there's no one in Singapore. This is the same modus operandi the guy was playing. We are disappointed because today there's an order from the court. Ada perintah daripada mahkamah untuk memastikan bahawa anak beliau dia diserahkan kepada beliau pada hari ini. Jika beliau tidak serahkan anak beliau pada hari ini, that tantamount to contempt of court. Contempt of court. And she will remain here. She will remain here until she gets her child back. This is ridiculous. The police should make every attempt to get him here. And the police have released him on police bail. He is on police bail. He is supposed to be here when the police wants him to be here. But today the police telling he's on the way to Singapore. The police knows he's on the way to Singapore. So the police might get him here. The police might detain him here. The police should immediately charge him on Monday. We want him to be charged on Monday, at least on 506. Sekurang-kurangnya di bawah 506 Kanun Keseksaan.